My third sublimation project. First I draw this time and I printed the project, and then after that I applied the DTF powder, and then after I place it on the oven and heat it up for 40 seconds, and then after that I place it on the shirt, and I make sure this time I did my best and I was not in a hurry and I was taking time, and I place it on the center of the shirt, and I applied the heat resistant tape, and I placed the sheet underneath too, and on the mat also. And after that I applied the heat, and I applied for almost 3-minute heat on both sides. So I was making sure that I was applying enough heat and pressure so the sublimation will be on the shirt. And also this shirt was 100% cotton, and I was just want to know that how it will work on the cotton, so that's why. And this is the ink left over on the paper, and it was pretty much good amount transfer on the shirt, as you can see.